In the name of Almighty Allah, the most beneficent and the most merciful. And the King of all kings, estimate chairman sir, respect teachers and chief guests and my dear friends. Assalamu alaikum to all of you. Today my topic is the true nature of sin. Sin starts our being weak like a spider cell, but ends up being as strong as a ship's anchor. This happiness because the person feels that he will commit the sin just once or twice and leave it, but he keeps postponing his decision to quit until the sin becomes such a strong habit that it is hard to give up. Sin is like an e-plant that works around a person. You might have seen some trees that have the yellow Venus plant that have the yellow Venus plant around them. In the same manner, due to repeatedly committing sins, the person's spiritual growth is arrested. An example of the sin is like that of the wound that does not heal. The wound is bad, and if left until it keeps spreading. After this, I would like to tell you something about Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's favors. By remaining man of his favors, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is anointing him so that he may come to the secret path. So Allah says, oh man, when you came into this world then, أَلَمْ نَجْعَلْ لَهُ عَيْنَيْنِ, did we not make for him a pair of eyes? وَلِسَانًا وَشَفَتَيْنِ, and a tongue and a pair of lips. وَهَدَيْنَاهُ النَّجْدَيْنِ, and show him the two ways, good and evil. Did we not make truth and falsehood clear? أَلَمْ نَجْعَلِ الْأَرْضَ مِهَادًا وَالْجِبَالَ أَوْتَادًا وَخَلَقْنَاكُمْ أَزْوَاجًا وَجَعَلْنَا نَوْمَكُمْ سُبَاتًا. O my servant, have we not made the earth as expensive floor for you, the mountains as bridges, and we have created you in pairs, and have made for your sleep for rest. أَلَمْ نَخْلُقكُّم مِّن مَّاءٍ مَّهِينٍ, did we not make you from impure and irreplaceable? So along with Alif Lam Mim, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has mentioned his favors in men in order to manage attention towards him. Thanks, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.